What's up, guys? I hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. Today's a pretty special day. We finally get to do the unboxing, but first off, thank you to TurtleWax and congratulations on your 75 years. That is so awesome. But let's go ahead and continue with this unboxing and we'll get started right after this. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, wow. Guys, check that out. How cool is that box? Dude, I know where I'm putting this. Very, very cool. So let's see how we can open this. I don't want to damage it because I want to keep this, put it on my display. All right. Wow. A lot of stuff here. Guess I'll start off with the stickers. Look at that vintage. Their vintage logo. That is so cool. Big shout out to the graphics designers. Awesome. You guys are amazing. We got their 75th. A hat. How cool is that? It's so awesome. Dude. Wow, 2 t-shirts. Look at that. I haven't seen that logo in such a long time. The memories are flooding back. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Kind of like the periodic table, if you will. Elements. Awesome. That is so cool. What else? We got another t-shirt. Oh, wow. Wax before you ride. How cool. Has the logo in the back too. Very cool. Very clever. I love that. Totally. So awesome. Okay, and then we got a wax. Okay, ceramic graphene paste wax. Hybrid solutions. Look at that. I don't even want to use this. Look at that, 75. Dude, that is so cool. How awesome. Oh, that smells good. Yes. All right, I might have to test it out for sure. Very cool. And then you have the UFO applicator, foam applicator, and a couple of towels. Awesome. All right, guys, wanted to go ahead and give another shout out to TurtleWax. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of this. And again, congratulations on your 75th. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.